Hey guys, happy Thursday to you. Today we're going to take a look at the AMT 1960 Chevy Nomad station wagon. Here's this side of it. Here's this side. And there's the bottom. Let's have a look. Got this kit at Hobby Lobby. It was 40% off. Alright, we got our instructions. We got glass or reds. Let's give you the option that you can make it a cop car if you wanted to. Here's our white wall tires. Here's our decals. Got some weird looking stripes to it. For this being a new kit, they're not perfect. By no means are they perfect. Here's our chrome tree with our bumpers, our grill, our hubcaps, our chrome trim. All right, here's our hood. It's our front valance. Our front suspension. Our pedals. Our bench seat. Here's our firewall and dashboard. Here's our exhaust, our steering wheel, our rear suspension, our pins for the front. I didn't know it was a curbside though. I might have to 3D print an engine for it. Here's our interior tub, our bench seats, our radiator support, our wheels. It's weird that it's a curbside, but yet the hood is open. Here's our suspension. Not a lot to it. Of course, if there's no engine, that knocks out a lot of plastic. And then here's our body, which is really nice and crisp. No flash, not warped. It'll be fun trying to do this chrome. I'm going to have to try and do that with bare metal foil. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the kit. Not a lot to it. But it was like the first newest kit I seen at our local Hobby Lobby, which is why I picked it up. Oh, this is by round 2. 2 wheel options, so you can have your stock ones or your chrome ones. But yeah, cool kit. And I'm also building this AMT white Road Boss semi-truck. So I've got my body painted, my sleepers all painted. Waiting on chassis parts to dry, and then I can get all this mounted on there. I got a long way to go yet on this semi. But you guys all have a good one. I hope you enjoyed that video. Oh, before I go, I got to show you something cool I bought. Well, this, let me put it up here on the stand. This is a dirt late model I bought from a guy. It's a really cool build. The body is kind of floppy. There we go. This is all made out of styrene, the body is. But it's really cool. They did a really good job on it. And then the body comes off, and it's just like somebody took and homemade a NASCAR chassis, it looks like. It started as a NASCAR chassis, and they did a bunch of modifying to it. It's got all the gauges done real nice. They must have cut this down to make that part, but yeah, it's really cool. Body just sits on there. It's a nice looking dirt late model. And it's a Pontiac. I need to get the hood on here. I need to clean it up a little bit. And then maybe clear it. But yeah, it's a really cool build that I bought. I bought that off a guy on Facebook. Pretty cool. Just got to get a display case to put it in. All right, you guys all have a good one. And I'll catch you in the next video. See you later. Bye.